Hi, the following tutorial focuses on trip planner options within the CAMPS app. This tutorial is divided into 5 sections: new trip creation, exploring and planning, editing and customization, mobile number and contact sharing, then finally trip sharing and collaboration. This video will focus on creating a new trip. To begin a trip, simply tap the Trips tab down the bottom of the page to open the Trips menu. To begin your trip, tap the orange plus sign in the bottom right corner of the page. We will now proceed with filling out the initial trip data, including a trip name, then a short description, a departure, as well as an end date. Please note the trip planner requires a date range to track stays and calculate routes. If you are not sure of your travel dates as yet, set the start date from today and then the end date to an arbitrary range 6 to 12 months in the future to give you plenty of range when planning your trip. Next, we will add a cover photo, selecting either from your library of existing photos or by opening the device's camera and taking a photo directly. Next, select a theme colour for the trip. This colour determines the route marking lines you will see on the map. This can help you easily differentiate different trips displayed on the Explore map during planning. Once you have set up your trip's initial information, you will return to the Trip menu where you can select your trip for further editing. This video focuses on the core components of building a trip, and the next video will focus on edit and customization options in your trips. To assist the app in plotting a route, first we will set a start and end location for our trip. Simply tap the Add Your Start Point button to open the menu controls. Here you have 3 options available. The first option is a text box available to enter a known street address. If you are not planning to start your trip from home, you can enter any street address across Australia and select from the available matching results. The second option. If you are planning to start your trip from your current location, simply tap the Use Current Location button. The third option. If you are not sure of the street address, you can choose to drop a pin via the map view. Normal double tap or pinch to zoom controls will help you focus on a specific location. Tap your finger on your preferred location to set a pin. You can also tap anywhere else on the map to move the pin if it requires further refinement. Once you have set your start location, tap the Save Trip Point button in orange at the bottom of the screen. For optimized route planning, it is advised to also set an end location at this stage of planning. This helps the route calculator give accurate by-road distances for your entire trip. Simply tap the Add Endpoint button and make your selection. There is a shortcut button at the top to use your start point as the final location, as this is the most common format for trips, returning to the start point. For planning purposes, it can be useful to set your end location to the turnaround point of your trip. This allows the app to plot a route you can follow on the Explore map to help you find sites along your planned route. We will cover this in more detail later. You can also set any street address, current location or pin drop as per the setting of the start point if you are not returning to your start location and heading off on another leg of your journey, for example. After setting your preferred end location, tap the Save Endpoint button in orange at the bottom of the screen. This finalises the setup of your trip, including a starting route for further planning. This completes the tutorial for setting up your first trip. Please refer to parts 2 and 3 of the trip tutorials for further explanation of adding and editing sites for your trip. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy travels!